Hello and welcome to today's video where we are going over the top 5 4K dash cams in 2024. If at any point you want to purchase one of these dash cams, there will be links down in the description for purchase. These are affiliate links and they do help support the channel. So if you do end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. Number 1, we have the VIOFO A229 Mini 2 dash cam, a compact dash cam that packs a big punch with its advanced features and high quality recordings. Designed to be discreet yet powerful, this dash cam offers a blend of technology and usability that makes it an excellent choice for drivers looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and documentation capabilities. High quality video capture. The A119 Mini 2 features a 2K resolution at 60 frames per second, providing crisp and clear recordings that capture every detail on the road. Whether it's daytime brightness or low light conditions, the combination of the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor and HDR technology ensures balanced and vivid images. Enhanced night vision. Driving at night? No problem. The A119 Mini 2 excels in low light environments thanks to its DOL HDR technology and f1.6 large aperture lens, ensuring that even nighttime footage is clear and usable. User-friendly features. Voice control technology allows you to operate the dash cam hands-free, making it safer and more convenient while driving. The built-in GPS logs your route and speed, adding an extra layer of data to your videos, which can be crucial in the event of an accident. Seamless connectivity. With dual-band Wi-Fi, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz, transferring videos to your smartphone is quicker than ever. Using the VIOFO app to instantly view, download, or adjust settings without the need for cumbersome cables. Reliable parking mode. The A119 Mini 2's buffered parking mode provides peace of mind while your vehicle is parked. The dash cam records footage when it detects motion or impact even before the actual event, ensuring that you don't miss a moment. Designed for drivers, its compact size allows it to be mounted discreetly behind your rear view mirror, minimizing the visual obstructions and keeping your dashboard uncluttered. This design choice ensures that the A119 Mini 2 is both effective and unobtrusive. Next, we have the VIOFO A229 Plus dash cam, a dual dash cam designed to offer unmatched clarity and coverage for both the front and rear of your vehicle. This model stands out with its two high-performance Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensors, delivering superior image quality and ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed, day or night. Dual high-definition recording. The A229 Plus excels in capturing high-resolution 1440p footage from both the front and rear cameras, providing a detailed and comprehensive view of your surroundings. This dash cam captures every moment with precision and clarity. Enhanced night vision capabilities. Thanks to its advanced sensors and HDR technology, the A229 Plus adjusts to varying light conditions seamlessly, ensuring clear and visible footage even in low light scenarios. This feature is essential for capturing critical details like license plates and road signs during nighttime driving. Convenient voice control. Keep your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road with intuitive voice commands. This feature allows you to manage your dash cam settings and functions simply by speaking, enhancing both safety and convenience. Downloading and sharing videos is faster than ever with the A229 Plus's 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Connect the dash cam to the VIOFO app on your smartphone for quick access to your footage, making it easier to transfer, view, or save important clips. Reliable parking mode. Equipped with 3 different parking mode solutions, the A229 Plus provides 24/7 monitoring of your parked vehicle. Whether you opt for buffered recording, time-lapse, or low bitrate modes, your car is protected against theft and damage even when you're away. Seamless GPS integration. The integrated GPS module not only tracks your route and speed, but also embeds this data into your video files. And this can be invaluable during insurance claims or traffic disputes, providing concrete evidence of your travels. Easy installation and user-friendly interface. The A229 Plus is designed for simplicity, from installation to daily use. Its user-friendly interface ensures that you can easily adjust settings and preferences, while the inclusive mounting kit allows allows for a straightforward setup on your windshield. Next, we have the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR dash cam, a true powerhouse in automotive security. Featuring the advanced dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, this dash cam provides unmatched clarity with 4K resolution for the front camera and 2K resolution for the rear camera. Ideal for drivers who prioritize comprehensive coverage and detailed recordings, this setup ensures every critical moment on the road is captured with precision. Unrivaled video quality. Experience the next level of dashcam technology with the A229 Pro's 4K front and 2K rear cameras. These deliver stunningly clear and detailed footage, making it easy to capture license plates and street signs, essential in accident or incident reporting. The inclusion of HDR technology enhances image quality under varying light conditions, providing balanced exposure and clear visuals in both bright and low light environments. Enhanced night vision. Equipped with Sony's latest Starvis 2 sensors, the A229 Pro excels in low light conditions. So whether driving at night or in dimly lit environments, you can rely on this dashcam to record every detail with reduced noise and enhanced clarity, ensuring critical recordings are usable and effective. Smart parking mode. The A229 Pro offers a trio of parking modes: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording, making it versatile for different surveillance needs. With the addition of a VIOFO hardware kit, these features monitor your vehicles 24/7, providing buffered recordings that capture moments before and after an event, ensuring you miss nothing while your vehicle is parked. Seamless connectivity and control. Stay connected with the dashcam's built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for swift video downloads and easy sharing through the VIOFO app. Adjust settings, view live footage, and manage your recordings with ease directly from your smartphone. Precision GPS and voice control. The A229 Pro includes a sophisticated GPS module that supports multiple satellite systems, enhancing location accuracy. This feature is vital for speed and route data in your videos, adding an extra layer of information for legal and insurance purposes. Moreover, with the voice control capabilities, you can manage your dashcam hands-free, ensuring your focus remains on the road. Durable design and easy installation. Designed for ease of use and durability, the A229 Pro is built to withstand various environmental conditions, making it a reliable choice for any vehicle. Installation is straightforward with a complete mounting kit and user-friendly instructions included, making it accessible for both novice and experienced dashcam users. Next, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dashcam, the ultimate security on the road, designed to offer unmatched coverage and clarity for all vehicle types. Ideal for family road trips or professional drivers, this dashcam ensures every detail of your journey is captured with precision. Comprehensive coverage with 3 cameras. Equipped with 3 cameras, the Vantrue N4 Pro offers extensive recording capabilities. The front camera delivers stunning 4K resolution, providing crystal clear footage of the road ahead. Simultaneously, the interior and rear cameras record in 1080p, ensuring every angle around your vehicle is monitored effectively. Enhanced night vision for low light recording. With the integration of the Starvis 2 sensor and 4K HDR technology, the dashcam excels in low light conditions. So whether it's nighttime or under poor lighting conditions, this dashcam captures detailed and vibrant images, ensuring important details like license plates are always visible. Smart parking mode for 24/7 surveillance. The dashcam's advanced parking mode monitors your vehicle around the clock. Upon detecting any impact or motion, it automatically begins recording, providing video evidence if an incident occurs while your car is parked. This feature is essential for capturing hit and runs or vandalism. Seamless connectivity and GPS integration. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, the Vantrue N4 Pro allows for easy video transfer to your smartphone and precise tracking of your driving route. This connectivity also enables embedding speed, location, and route data into your recordings, which can be crucial in the event of an accident. Voice control for safe operation. Enhance your driving safety with hands-free voice control. This feature allows you to manage the dash cam without taking your hands off the steering wheel, enabling you to focus fully on driving while still controlling the camera settings and recording modes. Durable design with easy installation. The dashcam is built to withstand various weather conditions thanks to its super capacitor power supply, which performs reliably in extreme temperatures. Its user-friendly design ensures easy installation, making it accessible for all users regardless regardless of technical expertise. And lastly, we have the REDTIGER F7NP, a dual dash cam that offers extensive coverage and superior recording quality for both the front and rear of your vehicle. Designed for drivers who prioritize detailed footage and advanced features, this dash cam stands out with its robust performance and user-friendly interface. High-resolution dual recording. The REDTIGER F7NP features a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, ensuring you capture every detail on the road. This dual recording capability provides comprehensive coverage, making it easier to document incidents and scenic drives alike. Enhanced night vision. With a large f1.5 aperture and WDR, wide dynamic range technology, the F7NP excels in low light conditions. So whether driving at night or in dimly lit areas, you can rely on this dash cam to deliver clear and vibrant footage, capturing essential details like license plates and road signs. Seamless connectivity and GPS integration. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect the dash cam to the REDTIGER app, enabling easy video playback, downloading, and sharing directly from your smartphone. The integrated GPS tracks your driving route and speed, adding valuable data to your recordings. Reliable safety features. The REDTIGER F7NP includes loop recording, which ensures continuous recording by overriding old footage when the memory card is full. Its G sensor detects sudden shocks or collisions, automatically locking the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. Crucial for capturing accident events. The parking mode provides 24/7 vehicle surveillance, requiring an additional hardwire kit for continuous power supply. User-friendly design. The F7NP is designed with ease of use in mind. Its intuitive interface makes setup and operation extremely straightforward, allowing you to manage your recordings and settings effortlessly. The mobile app enhances user interaction, providing a convenient way to handle your dash cam on the go. There you have it. There are the top 5 dash cams in 2024. Again, we will be leaving links below to all the products that we went over in today's video. And if you do end up using any of those links, we will receive a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. And that way, that supports our channel so that we can keep creating free content just like this. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe for more, because here on this channel, we go over the best deals for all different types of products out there on the internet. Thank you again for your time, and we will see you in the next video.